Welcome to the MigaCarnet feature, made by MIGASTONE, and available on www.migamodules.com. To install the Carnet function, we first need to add the Enterprise Payments function, and then add the Carnet function to your app. For customers to be able to buy Carnet, we need to enable one of the options available in the Enterprise Payments module. We can enable more than one option. For cash payment, it is sufficient to enable the active status. For PayPal payment, before activating the status, it is necessary to set the connection API keys. Please refer to our user manual for information on this. In the Transaction tab, we will have a history of payments made. In the Settings tab, we need to set the necessary configuration so that the payment system works correctly with the MigaCarnet function. The parameters to configure are available in before the screen panel of control function of MigaCarnet. Once the payment configuration is completed, we now move on to the management of Carnet. We now create the Carnet, creating the title, the description, the base price, the discounted price for the purchase of the Carnet, the number of coupons contained in the Carnet, and the maximum total number of purchases of the Carnet per user. We can set an expiration date for the Carnet in the shop, for example this weekend. Furthermore, we can set after how many days the single coupons can be used, for example 180 days after the purchase. We also set how many days before the expiration of the coupons send a notification reminding you to use them. It is possible to define whether the Carnet is enabled or disabled in the shop, then upload the photo of the Carnet. Afterwards, it will be possible to enable or disable the Carnet from the shop or totally delete it. From the PIN management screen, we set the name and password of each operator. The operators will use their personal password to confirm the payment of the Carnet and cash, or to validate the coupons used. In the settings screen, we could set the terms and conditions of use of our Carnet. We can also customize the content of the email and push notifications that users will receive from the system. We can change the object in the body of the communication at will and insert the tags of the expected system variables. Now let's quickly see how to buy a booklet using the app. Tap on the Carnet page. Then Buy Carnet. Buy to proceed. Accept the terms and conditions. Tap on Pay Now. In this case, we have chosen cash, so the manager will have to validate the payment through the app control panel. Or an operator can do it by directly entering his PIN from the customer's cell phone. To use a Carnet coupon, it will be sufficient to enter the screen of the available Carnet. After tapping the Use Coupon button, the operator will enter his PIN, the coupon will be validated and the total remaining coupons updated.